Clubhouse has taken a unique approach by not including a logo on the App Store. But why does it keep changing its icon? You might recently have noticed a new face on the Clubhouse app, and it probably wouldn't be the first time. While this might seem like some kind of glitch, it's very deliberate. The platform changes its icon every month. Clubhouse has stood out due to its rather unusual app icon from the very beginning. Instead of a logo, the platform uses pictures of real-life people and has been very intentional about who it puts on the app icon. In this video, you'll find out why Clubhouse keeps changing its app icon, plus the story behind some of those to feature. Why Clubhouse keeps changing its app icon. Since launching, Clubhouse has become hugely popular. Even more than that, though, it has emerged as a driver of social impact. It has brought together users from around the world to its audio hubs, or rooms with appearances from celebrities, thought leaders, business leaders, and prominent personalities. But with all the high-profile people the app has attracted, it remains committed to giving everyday people and changemakers the spotlight through its app icon. The audio app uses fun headshots of various people making an impact in their respective fields, within their own communities and in communities on the app. Clubhouse intends to accentuate its highly democratized format by celebrating these exceptional people and creators and putting them under the spotlight. A business logo is the first thing that catches a user's attention, and Clubhouse leverages this to depict what it stands for, the community. Moreover, an image of a face cuts through the noise of multiple app icons and brings in the right kind of attention on the App Store and your homepage. This is a fresh and unique approach taken by Clubhouse, which has pushed value for the app by making it stand out and creating a buzz around its icon changes. And it has done so without disrupting the usability of the platform. Noteworthy creators that have featured on the Clubhouse app icon. Clubhouse's app icons are usually powerful voices who have already built their own audiences. More importantly, these are individuals who would have been very active on Clubhouse either by building or moderating rooms on the app. So, all of these people know how the platform works. Take Espree Devora, for example. Devora was one of the first people to be featured as an icon of the Clubhouse app. She is known for her podcasts about topics in the tech industry, as well as digital content that connects people in different tech fields. And then there's Dandara Pagu, of whom Clubhouse stated, represents the Clubhouse community at its best. Pagu is an activist, producer, leader in body positivity, and a fighter for the rights of Black women. Pagu first gained popularity on the Brazilian Clubhouse scene when she started unofficially moderating tense conversations between strangers on the app. Although she speaks Portuguese, it is her work in Clubhouse communities that caught the attention of Clubhouse. This is what eventually contributed towards her face being on the app icon in June 2021. In Brazil, Pagu also helps to facilitate conversations surrounding political and social ideology amongst her fellow citizens. The creators that Clubhouse has chosen, and continues to choose to highlight via its app icon, reinforces its commitment to community and to giving changemakers a platform for their work, both digitally and in real life. Will Clubhouse continue changing its icon? Clubhouse has been changing the faces on its app icon ever since the app launched in 2020. On Reddit, users have shared ideas for a traditional logo app icon instead of using photos of people. However, Clubhouse doesn't seem to want to change its icon strategy. In fact, in June 2021, the Clubhouse blog dedicated a section to its Clubhouse icons, where it profiles every new person featured on the app's icon. This further signals that the social media app may have plans to keep changing the faces on its app indefinitely. The strategy that Clubhouse has chosen is unconventional, and some could have seen it as a gamble. Furthermore, it is a lot of work. To keep the image style consistent, Clubhouse uses professional headshots of each creator, which means that photo shoots have to be set up, and images edited accordingly each time a new creator's face will be used as an app icon. A fresh approach to social media. Clubhouse's constantly changing app icon is just one of many features that set it apart from more traditional social media apps. Among the several reasons why this is a great feature is that it reinforces Clubhouse's commitment to highlighting everyday people who are breaking ground in both their respective communities and on the app itself. It is commendable that Clubhouse chooses such people to feature on its app icon when it can partner with the celebrities and high-profile speakers who make appearances on the app, which is in keeping with the app's informal, laid-back nature.